Hi everyone, welcome to our channel V2V. Today's topic: inaugurate submarine cable connectivity to Andaman Nicobar Islands. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi to inaugurate submarine cable connectivity to Andaman Nicobar Islands. The foundation stone for this project was laid by the Honorable Prime Minister on 30th December 2018 at Port Blair. This was the detailed map regarding the submarine cable. The submarine cable will also connect Port Blair to Swarajdeep, Little Andaman, Car Nicobar, Kamotra, Greater Nicobar, Long Islands and Rangat. This connection will give delivery of fast and more reliable mobile and landline telecom services to Andaman Nicobar Islands with other parts of India. Details of submarine cable. The submarine OFC link will deliver bandwidth of 2 into 200 gigabytes per second between Chennai and Port Blair and 2 into 100 gigabytes between Port Blair and other islands. By this we can maintain reliable, robust, high-speed telecom and other broadband facilities in these islands will be a landmark achievement from the viewpoints of consumers as well as strategic and governance reasons. The next point, 4G mobile services which were constrained due to the limited backhaul bandwidth provided with via satellite will also see a major improvement. Benefits of this submarine cable: enhanced telecom and broadband connectivity will boost and tourism and employment generation in these islands, give an economic and raising standards of living. Better connectivity will also facilitate delivery of e-governance services such as telemedicine and tele-educations. Small entrepreneurs will benefit from opportunities in e-commerce, while education institutions will utilize the enhanced availability of bandwidth for e-learning and knowledge sharing. Business process outsourcing services and other medium and large entrepreneurs will also be the benefit or better connectivity. Maintains better connectivity. Other details of submarine cable. The project is funded by the Government of India through the Universal Service Obligation Fund and the Department of Telecommunication, Ministry of Communications. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited executed the project while Telecommunication Consult India Limited are the technical consults. About 2,300 kilometers of submarine OFCL cable has been laid at the cost of 1,224 crores and the project has been completed in the time. The topic is completed. I hope you will answer this question in the comment section below. In the next videos, we are planning to come with current affairs and general awareness topics. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe to our channel V2V. Thanks for watching.